Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning step by step. Start by setting clear goals and schedule daily focused practice sessions to build habit. Choose Python as your main language and refresh key math foundations with short, practical exercises. Join one beginner project to apply concepts early and track progress weekly so you can adjust resources and pacing without losing momentum or confidence. Dive into core concepts by studying supervised and unsupervised learning with simple examples and visualizations. Build intuition for algorithms such as linear regression, logistic regression, and decision trees with small datasets you can explain. Practice model evaluation using cross-validation and clear metrics so you understand strengths and trade-offs. Keep explanations concise, recreate results from tutorials, and document what each experiment teaches you about model behavior and data quality. If you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with long-term thinking about learning and career investing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick up the book if you want a fun financial nudge. Now let's get back to the video. Hands-on practice is the fastest way to learn, so pick small projects that interest you and solve tangible problems end-to-end. Use public datasets, Git for version control, and lightweight notebooks to keep work reproducible and shareable. Iterate models, tune hyperparameters, and keep a simple experiment log so you see which ideas improve performance and why, and gradually increase project complexity as your confidence grows and results become more reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.